Hey guys, Steve here. In this video, what I want to do is I want to show you how you can start earning $100 a day by giving away a free viral email list builder. Now, some people don't understand how you can build a list by giving something away for free, and I'll just explain it here real quick. The biggest company that I can think of that builds a list by giving something away for free is everybody's favorite. One of everybody's favorite, and that is Facebook, right? What do they offer? They say, hey, if you give me your email address, what do you get? You get a platform that you can communicate with your family socially on. In the meantime, they get your email, right? And they can market to you in the form of advertisements on your page. You know, on the side there, we have all kinds of advertisement. They sell advertising. Other people market their products, shavers and dietary things, vitamins and exercise equipment. But they have your list, and now they can market anything they want to you. They have your email. You're on their list. They can market whatever they want. And what did you get? You got free access to a social media platform. So that's the simple concept, right? That keeps it simple. So in regards to that, I'm going to show you how you can use the similar formula, giving away something for free, to build your list and then potentially earning from it. So, and I like this platform because it has earned me $100 over and over and over again. And I'll probably show you proof at the end. I really don't like doing that, but I'm trying to get in the habit of people want to see proof all the time. And, you know, people always want to see proof. And that's just the bottom line. They want to see that it works. They don't just trust that it works. They don't just take my word for it because I'm telling them, hey, the simple formula is this: traffic to the capture page, to the offer, follow up. They don't trust that, and they want to see it work. So at the end, I'll show you proof. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump right in. So here's the capture page. So I'm giving this capture page away for free. But why am I giving it away for free? Why is because I'm giving it away to show people how in 3 simple steps you can start building an email list and earn 100% commissions. So when I give this to somebody because they're interested in that offer, that's when they enter their email here and they become on my list. And now I can follow up with them about this offer or follow up with them about anything else, right? That's how that works. The capture page it collects the data for your list, okay? So then we go on to the sales page. This is the traffic to the capture page to the offer. Here's the offer, the free viral email list builder that'll allow you to generate $100 commissions over and over again. How does this work? Right? Because as you're giving it away, people are putting their email into the capture page, coming onto your list. Now the magic happens where you get viral pass-ups where every 5th person that comes into your capture page gets passed up to your sponsor. So not only are you creating your list, but you're also creating your sponsor's list, every 5th one, right? Which is sweet if you're the sponsor, right? It's beneficial for you because now you have leverage because your referrals are actually building your list for you. So the more referrals you got or the more passives you get, you know, the bigger your list grows on autopilot, right? Which is awesome, right? Working off the leverage, using the leverage of others. So we already said that, right? And you can earn $100 per sale instantly to your PayPal and Stripe account. Why? That's if you position yourself from the value that's in this platform. If you upgrade to a certain level, now when people down the line or your referrals see the value of, hey, I'm giving this away for free to create a list and all of this value is attached, maybe if I upgrade and position myself, I can make some money too. Because if I want to upgrade, other people are going to want to upgrade, right? So you position yourself, right? And that's where you put yourself in position to earn $100, right? Right? That's just how that works. And that's how you can earn from giving away a free system. So you build a residual income stream from the efforts of your referrals. Like I said, your downline gives it away for free, right? And it just starts a ripple effect of pass ups, right? Done for you lead capture pages is part of the value that's built in. You have automatic email, a done for you email series, 30-day follow-up, that's also included. That's the value. You get training and promotion tools for Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. That's part of the value, right? And here are just some of the social proofs of people who have successfully earned and generated $100 commissions from the upgrade, right? Now you can completely create a free account and take a look at the inside and see all the value that's in there, but I'm telling you, it's awesome, right? So that's what that is, right? So it has everything you need to build a list fast and to create those 100% commissions without the monthly fee. Again, I said it, I'll say it again. You can create a free account. You can start sharing it and giving it away to create your own list. And if you upgrade, that gives you the potential to earn $100 every time someone else upgrades. This is a useful tool because it helps you build your list for any opportunity. And I've used it and made sales in other opportunities. I've used it to grow my list. My list goes into my get response autoresponder, right? And I email market to them, and I've sold my lead lightning and earned $6 commissions. So that's just how it works. I've also had upgrades, but let's continue. So like I said, you get done for you email follow-ups. You can grow your list, right? These are just a sampling of the capture pages that you get. Now, if you upgrade, you also get free traffic, Facebook strategies, a 10K blueprint, TikTok marketing, YouTube authority, right? You also get Instagram secrets, how to promote on Instagram. And you also get mindset training, which is very important because it'll allow you to see it'll allow you to see how a free offer can generate you a list and generate you 100% income. And that's all a mindset thing. On top of all that, once you upgrade, you will get a vacation voucher or certificate that allows you to visit, for whatever package you choose, 125 of these exotic locations, right? It has a real simple setup and three simple steps you can get all set up. We can go through them real quick, right? You customize your system, right? You integrate it with the free autoresponder that they suggest in the back office. You select your page and you promote it either on Facebook, YouTube, like I'm doing, Instagram, whatever, or you can run solo ads to it, and you start building your list. And it's a numbers game from there. The more people who enter your funnel, the more people see your offer, the more people see the value, those few people will upgrade, and that's where you will get your commissions, right? Here are just some frequently asked questions. I'll leave a link in the description box below. But what I want to do is let's jump on the inside real quick and take a look just what you get. Then I want to show you a little bit about how much success that I've had with this opportunity. So it's real simple. It explains how the system works here. You can integrate it with your autoresponder. You get GetResponse or Aweber. They're both free accounts, so it's easy to get started on that. You can import an email campaign into your Aweber, right, with a few clicks. It also has the instructions on how to set that up, and it's super simple. You set up your payment processor either using Stripe or PayPal, right? Either one. It shows you and walks you through how to set that up and integrate that all in the back office. Then you activate your income streams. You got 4 additional. As an upgraded member only, you get 4 additional income streams. One is a recurring income stream from Aweber for anybody who comes through the system, follows the steps, and signs up under you. The second is Udemy affiliate link. Anyone who buys traffic from within the system, you'll get commission from. That's traffic paying for your traffic. ClickMagick, which is a tracking tool, and also a Facebook profile and promotion suite that you can earn commissions from, right? Also, you can add tracking pixels, right? Which I haven't did, as you can see, but you can do that. Then you also get these high converting capture pages. There's approximately, I think, 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 14 high converting capture pages that you can use that are completely integrated to your either GetResponse or Aweber. Mine's GetResponse integrated, right? That when your leads come through, they get put in either of those autoresponders so that they can get the automatic email follow-up, That's why systems are important. The only thing that I have to do after I set up everything is drive traffic to my capture page. You also get training on solo ads, how to do solo ads, and that's free. This is in the free and the upgraded version. You also get the secret solo ad Rolodex, right? You get a free traffic training. You get promotional tools, 60 posts to get massive engagement, 30 posts to generate leads, and 100 Facebook groups that you can use to promote your offer in, as well as cover what do they call it? Facebook covers that you can download and upload to Facebook, and also some other imagery that you can use in promoting the offer, right? So it's sweet. Now here's the magic part. Here's let's just do this real quick. Here, these side links here are coded to your affiliate links. So whenever someone's in the back office of if one of your referrals comes to their back office and clicks any of these ads, they will be coded to you, so you will get commissions if they buy or use the traffic or upgrade, whatever, right? So those links are yours only if you are an upgraded member. For a one-time, $100 commission, payment, you upgrade, and now that qualifies you to make $100 and also qualifies you to make these recurring commissions here on the side. There's additional training in the pro training videos, which is all described on the sales page. What I want to show you is the referrals and the leads here. I'll block all of this out. So as you can see, if you just come down the side here, here's a free, here's a pro, upgrade, that's $100. Here's a pro, upgrade, that's $100. Here's a pro, upgrade, that's $100. Free. Here's a pro, upgrade, $100. Free. Here's pro, upgrade, $100. Oh, that's where that guy's name is. I was wondering where he came from. I seen him somewhere else. Free. He's actually using the free. He should upgrade. Oh, he did upgrade. Yeah, he did upgrade. So free. Down here, as we keep going, these are all free. These are all just people on my list now that I can email, right? Free. And here's I thought I just seen a pro. Nope. Free pro. Here's a pro. That's $100. Here's another pro. That's $100. Here's a pro. 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 Here's another pro. Right? So with all the pros, those are people who upgraded, and all the free people, they are people who created a free account in the system. That doesn't mean that I don't have more leads from this platform, because when they come through the capture page, they get put on my autoresponder, and then the ones who create a free account show up here in my back office as free, and the one that upgrades show up as pro, right? So all the pros are $100, all the free are just people who created the accounts, right? And then all the rest of the people who came through my capture page are in my get response autoresponder, which is sweet. So anyway, that's how that is. Now let me show you a quick bonus that I have. A bonus that I have to offer for anybody who upgrades with me is this, my own personal bonus that I give. I give 100 free clicks for people who upgrade with me in the List Infinity platform. So not only do you get all the stuff that's included with the platform, all the training, the ability to earn 4 additional income streams, and a vacation, I also throw in 100 free clicks of traffic to get your system going. Okay? So that's just what I offer. Now, as you can see, like I said here, all the pros are payments of $100. So let's count them real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I have 13 sales so far, right? 13 upgrades so far. So that's $1,300 off a one-time $100 investment. You can't beat that. You cannot beat that with a stick, right? And I could show you proof here too. I'm trying to learn to keep showing proof because people don't believe. People don't believe. But let's log in here real quick, and I'll just show you. $100 I made. Actually, today is the 2nd. I made this today, right? So these are all list infinities here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? And that's 10 here, and then a few other ones came through PayPal. So 3 other ones came obviously through PayPal. So that's that. Anyway, that's all I wanted to really show you. But just so you're aware, I am offering a 100 click bonus if you partner with me in this opportunity, and I'll send 100 free clicks to your List Infinity capture page. So anyway, that's all that I got. I guess I hope you enjoyed the content. I hope you understand how you can make $100 a day and build your list using a free platform by giving it away for free. But the key is to be positioned, because I would hate for you to join the free opportunity, start giving away this free system to generate your leads, and then someone sees the vision like I did to my sponsor, right? They see like, man, I can make $100 off of this. So let me just position myself. I pay the 100. I'm in position now. Now, if anybody down the line from me says, hey, man, all this value, let me make $100, that money passes up to me now, not to my sponsor, right? So otherwise, if I was in position, it would just go straight to him, right? The next in line who's qualified. So it's all about positioning. And that's one thing that I've learned in this business. You should always position yourself for success, right? You need to position yourself because, and $100 is nothing nowadays, you know. Back in the day when I was younger, $100 was hard to come by. But now $100 is like the norm. So just imagine $100 a day, that's $3,000 a month, right? And that's life-changing, right? And if you have 2 sales or 3 sales in 30 days, 3 sales in 30 days, that's $9,000. So anyway, so that's just putting numbers on it. But anyway, I hope you, and I'm not hyping nothing up because it is a useful tool, especially for anybody, even beginners. And I don't consider myself a beginner, but I love using it because it is an easy tool to use. It has the value, and it's at the right price point that any newbie can use it and start successfully generating $100 days. And if you partner with me, I help get the system running. So anyway, that's enough. If you're interested, there'll be links in the description box below. Reach out. I'm always here to help. Once you come aboard on my team, there'll be a way that you can contact me. Just shoot me an email, let me know, send me the screenshot that you paid, and I'll get you all set up. I'll help you get set up, and then I'll start sending you traffic. So that's all that I got. As always, like, share, and subscribe. I'm out.